Welcome to SELFX, a product of Sirixo Software Technologies Private Limited. Today, we'll know about team operations and locations. At first, we have branches. From here, we can add the branch details of our business from another location and monitor it from here. Next, we have staff. Here we can add the employee details, assign them to tables, branches, and define their role. From roles, we can manage the types of users that can access the application. We can manage the accessibility of those users by limiting or giving them the shown permissions accordingly. The roles define what an user can access and what not. From shifts, we can know who worked at the cashier counter and inflow and outflow of the cash. Next, we have reservation settings, which we can modify according to our business timings and events.